How to delete YouTube channel permanently on mobile. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to access YouTube Studio. For that, you can directly open YouTube Studio on application or either open browser and search for studio.youtube.com and search for the site. Now click search bar or the profile icon at top right corner of the screen, and you can choose switch account and ensure the correct channel is selected. After that, you can easily access settings icon from bottom left corner of the screen. Tap on it and a new menu box appear where you need to select channel option. Now tap advanced settings tab, scroll to the bottom and select remove YouTube content. So you may need to re-enter your password or verify your biometrics and ensure correct channel name is displayed. Then select I want to permanently delete my content. Then you will reach on this section where you need to check mark the boxes, and this will confirm deletion of videos, comments, watch history and subscription, and tap on delete my content. And your channel will be now scheduled for deletion, which may take a few days to complete. If you have any queries, drop a comment below. And if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.